In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset color settings in Windows 11. If your screen colors look a little off, maybe too warm, too cool, faded, or just not quite right, Windows includes a built-in way to return display color calibration settings to the default behavior. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, open the Start menu and click on Settings. This is where Windows stores most of the main system options, including display-related controls. Once Settings opens, select System from the left side, then click on Display. This section contains the settings for your monitor, such as brightness, resolution, and other screen preferences. On the Display page, scroll down until you find Advanced Display, then click on it. This area gives you access to more detailed settings for your screen and graphics output. Next, look for the option that says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 and click it. A new window will open. This window is tied to your display hardware and gives access to color management options that are not always visible in the main Settings app. When that Graphics Properties window appears, go to the Color Management tab and then click on the Color Management button again. This opens the dedicated color management settings for your display. At the top of the new window, click on the Advanced tab. This section includes system-level calibration and profile behavior, which is what we need to adjust in order to reset how Windows handles display color. Now click the Change System Defaults button. This opens another window with settings that apply more broadly at the system level, not just to the current user profile. In that new window, go to the Advanced tab once again. Then look for the checkbox labeled Use Windows Display Calibration and make sure it is checked. Enabling this tells Windows to use its own display calibration settings, which can help restore the expected color behavior. After that, click Close, then click OK to save the change. The final step is to restart your computer. Restarting ensures the updated color setting is fully applied across Windows and your display driver. After your PC turns back on, check your screen colors again. In many cases, this will correct unusual color shifts or calibration issues. If you use more than one monitor, you may need to repeat the process for the other display as well. And that's how to reset color settings in Windows 11.